Hey y'all, welcome to FLYTUBE. For those that's your first time here, welcome. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, turn them post notifications on. For my returning followers, how y'all doing? What's up? Y'all chilling? Y'all living good? As y'all can see by the title, we here to do a lock retwist and some barrels. I will show y'all how I do my barrels. I'm pretty sure it really ain't no different from everybody else's, but you know, we here to show y'all anyway. My girl walked in the door and told me that, you know, she hasn't gotten a retwist in almost a year, and she just been wearing wigs. And I can't even be mad at my girl because I get it. I just joined the wig life. So it's like, you know, when you really don't want to spend that much money to, you know, get your hair done, or you really don't want to do nothing to your hair, you're going to slap that wig on real quick. But she has so much new growth. Her hair was so healthy for her to just be slapping a wig on her head. I'm not going to lie. Some of her locks were not all formed. Some of them I had to, you know, redo myself and give her like a whole new lock because it was just regular curls. But we made it work, you feel me? And I'm going to show y'all how I do her retwist, how I mesh the hair. I kind of leave her ends a little messy. I kind of like that look, especially if, you know, you got new locks. I said new knocks. What is that? But I'm gonna let y'all get to the rest of the video.
Hold on, fuck that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart. Trust from the distance. I think we should rule out the limit for now, cause we're falling apart.
So as y'all can see right here, this is where I had to give her a lock. I had to do a couple starter locks in there because I was able to comb out some of the locks. Some of them just weren't formed. So here I am, you know, adding some beeswax to it, combing through. And then, you know, add some more beeswax to the roots throughout the hair. I'm just combing it through, making sure it's slick. And then I just do a little twist it with the comb. For those that do hair, y'all know. Y'all get it. Y'all understand. For those that don't do hair, I'm sorry if I'm not giving a, you know, very descriptive description on how I do her lock, but I literally just, you know, twirl the comb, pull it down, keep twirling it until them ends is done, and I slide a clip underneath there, nothing too crazy, wait for this to dry, and we keep going. But honestly, I believe it was only about like, it was no more than 5 starter locks that I had to do, so it wasn't too bad. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl one time.
Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
From 8 until late, I think about you. Yeah, on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand.
I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
Okay, so this is the finished product from her hair being retwisted. I am going to put her under the dryer for a little bit so they do stay intact. And as you can see, this is the final product of her hair being retwisted. If she was not getting a style, this is how she would walk out of my chair. But being that we doing barrels, let me show y'all how I, do barrels. So what I do is I grab two from the front and I make a twist. I literally just twist them around each other. It's your preference whether you want to go over and under. I feel like every other dread I go over, and then if I grab another one, I'll go under just to give it that real barrel look. Excuse me. But yeah, and I feel like barrels is something you got to play around with. It's not something you're going to perfect on your own. As y'all can see right here, I didn't like the way it started coming out. So I'm a perfectionist. I'm going to keep redoing it until it looks good. So that's what y'all going to see me do.
About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I get so high off your love, I don't know how to be. You're brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa.
So this is the end of the video. This is me just greasing her scalp, making sure it look all shiny and brand new. This is what the barrels look like. If y'all made it to the end of the video, go ahead and drop 2 turtles at the bottom for your girl. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my hair page, book an appointment. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Young Bimo. Follow my hair page at natural&fly. Look at how these barrels came out, y'all. I'm gonna drop a little picture in the corner of her before. And look at where she's at. My girl hasn't had a retwist in almost a year, and she about to walk outside and that breeze finna hit that scalp. But stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
how the story goes. Brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think